Did you know that 90% of drivers overlook incredibly useful hidden features in the cars they drive every day? It sounds hard to believe, but a single button press could save you thousands in repair costs. For years, you've been ignoring them without realizing it. In this video, I'll reveal surprising secrets, from tiny details under the hood to hidden functions in your car's controls. Don't look away, because every minute here can make you a smarter, more cost-saving driver. Like and subscribe to the channel if this video helps you. 17. Recirculation button. Have you ever been stuck behind a diesel truck belching black smoke or driven past a dusty construction site? Just press the button with the car and looping arrow icon, and the system stops pulling in outside air, reusing the cleaner air inside the cabin. This protects your lungs and boosts your AC's cooling efficiency by up to 20% on scorching days. Plus, it extends the life of your cabin air filter, cutting down on replacement costs. I've seen customers bring cars to my shop with dusty interiors just because they didn't know about this button. It's a small habit with a big impact. Use it in heavy traffic, smoky areas, or dusty roads. But don't overuse it constantly. You still need fresh air when the road is clear. One well-timed press keeps you and your car healthier and your wallet less drained. 16. Key fob brain boost. It sounds like a joke, but the science behind it is fascinating. Ever been lost in a huge parking lot pressing your remote endlessly while your car won't flash its lights? Try holding the key fob to your temple. The water in your body acts like a signal amplifier, extending the range from about 30 feet to over 80 feet. It sounds weird, but it works, especially when you're carrying heavy bags or in a signal-blocking underground garage. Also, most key fobs have a hidden mechanical key inside. Just flick a small latch, and you've got a backup to open the door if the fob's battery dies. Many brands don't highlight this, but it can save you in a pinch. I've met customers who panicked and called a locksmith over a dead fob battery, unaware the backup key was right in their hand. Knowing your key fob isn't just convenient, it's a lifesaver in unexpected moments. 15. Engine bay color codes. If you open your hood and see parts painted yellow, green, or red, they're not just for decoration. These are the manufacturer's secret codes, signaling areas safe for you to handle. Yellow usually marks the engine oil fill. Green is for windshield washer fluid or coolant, and red might indicate transmission fluid. The plain gray or black parts, leave those to the pros. I've seen a car owner pour oil into the coolant reservoir, wrecking the engine with a repair bill in the thousands. Understanding these color codes saves you hundreds on small maintenance tasks, like topping off washer fluid, and prevents catastrophic mistakes. It's also a way to spot if a shop is overcharging. If they bill $50 just to add washer fluid, it's time to rethink your garage. These small color cues are a big deal. They help you maintain your car confidently and wisely. 14. Fuel cap holder. It's such a tiny detail that many think it's just a random notch, but it's designed to hold the fuel cap while you're filling up. It sounds simple, but letting the cap dangle or placing it on the car's roof can cause trouble. A swinging cap scratches the paint, ruining the finish over time. Worse, dirt from the cap can fall into the filler neck, flow into the fuel system, and eventually clog injectors or damage the fuel pump. Repairs that can cost thousands. I once had a customer whose new car, under 40,000 miles, needed a new fuel pump because of this habit. Meanwhile, the right move takes 2 seconds. Open the cap, hook it onto the holder, and pump fuel cleanly. Here's the kicker. Almost every car has this hook, but over 90% of drivers don't notice it. Don't underestimate it, because sometimes the difference between a durable car and a money pit lies in tiny details like this. If this information is helpful, please comment with the number 2 to let me know. 13. Emergency shift lock release. Imagine this. Your battery is dead, the automatic shifter is stuck in park, your car is blocking traffic, and a line of cars behind you is honking furiously. Many drivers panic and call a tow truck, waiting hours, when the solution is right next to the shifter. Using a key or a small flathead screwdriver, pop open a tiny plastic cover to reveal the shift lock release button. Press it lightly, and the shifter moves to neutral, letting you push the car to the side safely. I've seen drivers spend hundreds on towing just because they didn't know about this feature. On some cars, the button hides under the shifter boot or in a small slot, so find it when you're not in a rush, not when you're stranded. Knowing its location and how to use it turns a stressful situation into a 1-minute fix. Safe, efficient, and proof you're a seasoned driver. 12. Icy road warning, snowflake icon. That tiny snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't just a winter decoration. It's a warning that road temperatures could be icy, typically appearing when it's below 37 degrees Celsius, about 3 degrees Celsius. It's a small detail, but NHTSA data shows over 150,000 crashes annually in the U.S. are linked to icy roads. This little symbol could be a lifesaver. Newer cars take it further. The light shifts from yellow to red for high-risk conditions, or even shares data with other vehicles, creating a live weather network on the road. I've had customers tell me they ignored the warning, only to slide on a bridge due to invisible thin ice. My advice? When you see the snowflake, slow down, keep your distance, and avoid sharp steering. It's not just tech, it's a silent co-pilot that helps you avoid disaster instead of regretting a crash. 11. Rearview mirror anti-glare, toggle, auto dimming. This seemingly old-school feature is a savior for night driving. How many times have you been blinded by high beams from a car behind, blurring your vision and spiking your heart rate? The small tab under the rearview mirror is the fix. Flip it gently, and the reflection angle shifts, redirecting harsh light to the ceiling instead of your eyes. You still see the car behind you, but avoid feeling temporarily blind. In modern cars, it's even slicker. Auto-dimming mirrors use electrochromic gel that darkens automatically when sensors detect bright light. No hands needed. The mirror puts on sunglasses for you at the right moment. I've met older drivers who avoid night driving due to glare, unaware the solution is right in front of them. This small but effective feature makes night driving safer and more confident, especially on highways packed with trucks. Don't overlook that tab. Sometimes safety is just a flick away. 10. Hidden storage compartments. Jeep Grand Cherokees have secret storage so well hidden even thieves struggle to find it. Infiniti G35s stash a compartment in the rear armrest. Volkswagen Golfs tuck one under the driver's seat, and Toyota Hiluxes even have a cool drink holder on the dashboard. It's wild how many owners drive for years before stumbling on these, sometimes finding old items left by previous owners. A true time capsule on wheels. These compartments are perfect for hiding wallets, keys, or documents, adding peace of mind when parking in public. The catch? They're so cleverly disguised you'd never guess they're there. So, spend a weekend exploring your car. You might uncover a treasure chest right under your nose that you've never noticed. 9. Remote window lowering via key fob, door lock. Did you know a car parked in the sun for just 15 minutes can hit 130, 170 degree Fahrenheit inside, hot enough to burn seatbelts or make kids struggle to breathe? Instead of jumping into a mobile oven, use your smart key. Press and hold the unlock button for a few seconds, and all the windows roll down, letting hot air escape instantly. Some brands like Honda or Volvo make it even easier. Press unlock once, then hold it again, and the windows slide down smoothly. For cars without a remote, you can turn and hold the key in the door lock to trigger this. I've met a customer with young kids on a picnic who avoided a sweltering cabin thanks to this trick. Don't think of it as just a cool party trick. It's a practical way to protect your health, especially for kids and pets. What seems like a fancy feature is actually a vital tool for safer, more comfortable trips. 8. Conversation mirror in the sunglass holder. This detail seems trivial, but brings huge relief to parents. Often tucked cleverly in the overhead sunglass holder above the rearview mirror, A quick press pops down a small mirror, giving you a full view of the back seats. I've met customers who used to constantly turn around or twist to check on their kids. Tiring and dangerous. With this mirror, a glance shows if your child is sleeping, playing, or sneaking cookies to the dog. On long trips, it helps monitor pets without guesswork. Many are shocked to learn their car had this mirror from day one, only noticing years later. You might think it's a minor add-on, but as a mechanic and a parent, I see it as a silent gatekeeper. It keeps you focused on the road while staying connected to the back, making it simple but invaluable. 7. Fuel icon arrow. It's a tiny detail on your dashboard, but it trips up millions of drivers at the gas station. How many times have you driven a rental or borrowed a friend's car, only to realize at the pump you don't know which side the fuel cap is on? So you circle around, get out to check, or accidentally line up on the wrong side. The answer is right in front of you. The small arrow next to the fuel pump icon on the gauge is your trusty guide. If the arrow points left, the fuel cap is on the left. If it points right, it's on the right. It's that simple, yet surveys show nearly half of drivers don't know about it. I had a customer at my shop tell me they were teased for turning their car around 3 times to get the right side, while their friend pointed at the gauge and laughed. This small habit saves time, avoids awkward moments, and prevents risks like stretching the fuel hose across the car, which can scratch paint or cause leaks. Next time, check that tiny arrow. It's way more helpful than its humble appearance suggests. Comment with the number 1 and like this video, and I'll reveal something even more shocking. 6. Easy Fill Tire Alert. The name says it all. This feature makes the boring task of inflating tires surprisingly pleasant. Normally, you fumble with a tire pressure gauge, underinflating or overinflating, and some even drive on low tires without realizing it. But on cars like the Nissan Rogue, Altima, or Pathfinder, it's much simpler. Turn on the ignition, attach the pump, and when the tire hits the right pressure, the car flashes its lights or beeps once to confirm. If you overinflate, it warns you with a honk and flashing hazard lights to stop. It's like having a mini tire tech by your side. I had a customer complain about fast-wearing tires and poor fuel economy, only to find they were always driving on underinflated tires. A $600 tire replacement could have been avoided with a few timely checks. Studies show 90% of U.S. drivers run with incorrect tire pressure. If your car has this feature, use it. It not only extends tire life and saves fuel, but also keeps you safer on every road. 5. Remote Start. Many think this is only for luxury cars, but it's now in about 90% of new vehicles. You might not see a dedicated button, but check your key fob. If it has a circular arrow icon, chances are your car has this feature. On some Toyota, Mazda, or Lexus models, press the lock button twice, then hold it on the third press, and the engine starts even if you're still in a restaurant. For BMWs, it's 3 quick lock button presses. The obvious perk is comfort. On freezing winter mornings, your car warms up, oil circulates, and cold start wear is reduced. In blazing summer heat, the AC cools the cabin before you step in. But what many don't realize is that remote start also protects your car. Less stress on the engine and a more stable cooling system extend component life significantly. I've met customers who thought their car didn't have it, only to be shocked when I showed them how. Check your fob. You might have been missing out on this gem for years. 4. Driver drowsiness detection. Many drivers see a blinking coffee cup icon on the dashboard and think it's just a rest suggestion. In reality, it's a life-saving technology. Sensors and cameras track your driving behavior, blink frequency, head nods, unintentional lane drifting, or inconsistent speed. When it detects fatigue, the car sounds an alert or flashes the coffee cup, urging you to pull over before it's too late. NHTSA reports about 100,000 U.S. crashes yearly from drowsy driving, causing over 70,000 injuries and 1,500 deaths. Those numbers show how critical this small feature is. I had a customer on a cross-state drive whose car kept warning them. They ignored it and nearly veered off the highway. A final alert honk snapped them awake just in time. My advice from experience: don't brush off the warning. Pull over, rest, and grab water or coffee. This tech protects not just you, but also your family and others on the road. Sometimes 1 minute listening to your car can save a life. 3. Manual TPMS reset. Many assume that inflating tires to the right pressure will automatically turn off the tire pressure warning light, but that's not always the case. The TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, stores old data and sometimes needs a reset to sync with the new condition. After inflating your tires to the recommended pressure listed on the door jamb sticker, you can reset it yourself without a trip to the shop. On many Honda models, just hold the TPMS button in the glove box or under the dashboard until the light flashes 3 times. For Toyota, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds and wait for the confirmation signal. It's that simple, yet it saves you a shop visit and a few bucks for a reset service. I've seen customers come to my shop just to turn off this light when it takes less than 2 minutes to do at home. One key note: if the light stays on after resetting, a sensor or valve might be faulty, and that's when you need a deeper check. Knowing how to reset TPMS makes you more proactive, keeps the safety system accurate, and ensures your tires are always in top shape. 2. Adjusting auto wiper sensitivity. Have you ever noticed your wipers going too fast in a light drizzle or too slow in a sudden downpour? That's when you need to tweak their sensitivity. On many Subaru, Ford, or Mercedes models, you can adjust this directly with a dial near the wiper stalk or through the infotainment menu. Optical sensors on the windshield measure raindrop size and frequency, then adjust wiper speed accordingly. Setting the right sensitivity not only keeps your view clear, but also extends wiper blade life by preventing dry wipes on a barely wet windshield. I've had customers complain about annoying wipers, unaware their car had this adjustable feature. After guidance, they were amazed at how much clearer their view became, making driving far easier. My tip: test the settings before long trips, especially in rainy seasons. It's a small tweak that brings big peace of mind, letting you focus on the road instead of fussing over erratic wipers. 1. Night vision. This system uses infrared sensors or thermal cameras to see through darkness, detecting pedestrians, animals, or obstacles from 600 to 1,000 feet away, far beyond headlight range. I once test drove a BMW X5 with night vision and was blown away. While my eyes saw only pitch black night, the screen clearly showed a deer standing by the roadside. This is a game changer in rural areas or dimly lit highways, where a split-second delay can lead to serious accidents. Even in fog or heavy rain, this tech gives you an edge to spot dangers early. Many customers tell me they feel much safer driving at night, especially on long trips. While night vision is mostly found in luxury cars like Audi or Mercedes, aftermarket solutions are becoming more affordable. A small investment today could mean priceless safety on a dark night tomorrow. These 17 seemingly small secrets directly impact your wallet, your car's durability, and your safety behind the wheel. From the recirculation button protecting your lungs, to the fuel cap holder preventing pump damage, to night vision piercing the dark, these show that truly knowing your car is the key to smart driving. Don't overlook them. Apply these now to save money, extend your car's life, and, most importantly, keep yourself and your loved ones safe.